guess I'll just have to go alone, or with no one by my side. Wait! Huh? You can go with me! I guess it's better than being alone. Alrighty, let's go! Wait for me!
8 minutes left, guys. Chip chop.
I can't go alone. I have to go with someone. But who? Aha! Hey, wanna go together?
Sure, I guess.
What? Heck to the no!
Why not?
Why not?
He could use us as bait, leave us, find a bad spot. Hell, he might not even be Candle.
Come on, don't go there.
Look, if you go with him, you're not going with me.
I swear, we'll be fine.
Oh, really?
Come on, Smarty, we'll be as cool as ice.
I only go with the people I trust, and he is not one of them.
Fine, Smarty, catch up if you want to.
Ha! Nope.
I know a good place. It's around here somewhere. Aha! Found it. This dark cave looks pretty promising. Huh, what's this? What does that even mean? Hang on, there seems to be a lot more of these weird codes.
Hello? Wake up! Jesus, these contestants really do love to rest. I hope it's not in peace, though. Wake up!